You probably heard a thousand version of how to manifest your dream life. Just think positive, they say. Visualize, believe, and it will become. But what if you have done all of that and still hasn't worked? What if your vision board is full, your affirmations are on repeat, but you're still stuck in the same place? In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the real manifestation code, the one most people completely miss. We will break down why traditional manifestation techniques fail, what's actually happening beneath the surface, and how to unlock the true soul aligned frequency that allows your desire to finally land into your reality. And stay with me till the end because I will be sharing how you can work with me one on one to identify what is blocking your energy and how one manifestation code can start your manifestation journey today. Let's begin by clearing the air. Manifestation is not magic. It is about forcing the universe to give you what you want. It is not about saying the perfect phrase or thinking a happy thought or hoping life shifts overnight. Manifestation is a frequency match. It is a natural result of energetic alignment between what you want and who you are. How you think, feel, believe, and behave on day-to-day basis. Your outer world doesn't respond to what you say you want. It responds to what you are vibrationally matched for. This is why someone can repeat affirmations every single day, day and night, and still will feel stuck. Because beneath the surface, their nervous system is still holding fear, unworthiness, disbelief, and they are speaking one truth but living another. And the universe responds to the energy that they are actually carrying. This is the gap we are going to bridge today. There are 5 ways people misunderstand manifestation. Number 1, they manifest from lack, not wholeness. They are asking from the place, I don't have this, so I need it to feel better. But the energy rooted in lack can only attract more scarcity. The truth is, your desire must come from wholeness, from already knowing that you are absolutely worthy. Number 2, they focus on outcome, not the identity. Instead of becoming the person who has this thing, they obsess over getting the thing. True manifestation happens when you embody the version of yourself who already live that manifestation, that desire. Number 3, they ignore subconscious resistance. Most people are unaware of the silent beliefs running beneath their desires. I am not ready. I don't deserve this. If I get too successful, I'm going to lose love. These inner conflicts sabotage the signal being sent out for manifestation into the universe. Number 4, they don't trust the timing. There's an addiction to now, but your soul says, have divine timing in place. When you force what isn't ready, you delay what's trying to be aligned. Number 5, they focus on tools and not energy. Crystals, candles, scriptings, these are beautiful tools, but they are not the source of your power. Your energy is your power. Tools help you focus, but you are the code. So what is a manifestation code? It is not a secret spell or a trendy hack. It is an energetic manifestation code which I draw from the Akashic Records, a sacred chamber into the Akashic Record library that is blessed to me by the Akashic Record masters. And this manifestation codes have given me wonders. In the last 1 year, I have bought 1 commercial building, a double-story house, 2 new cars, 3 foreign trips, and so many more things. Just with the manifestation code of Akashic Records. Understand 3 things. Desire, the vision of what you want, clear, heart-driven, soul-aligned. Number 2, frequency, the emotional and vibrational state you live in consistently. And number 3, embodiment, the daily choices, actions, and belief that mirror your desire. So if you want to book your manifestation code reading with me, the link for the same is given in the description box. Book your reading now and shift your life. If you want love, you must be loved. If you want abundance, you must feel supported. If you want freedom, you must live as someone who trusts life. You become a magnet of what you embody and not what you beg for. Now, I want to add a very small segment here that how trauma blocks the code. It is very important. Unhealed wounds disrupt your fields. They create fear, self-doubt, control issues, energetic defense patterns that push away what you are trying to attract. If your body associates success with burnout or love with abandonment or money with guilt, your nervous system won't let you manifest those things. even if your conscious mind wants them. This is why manifestation is not just spiritual, it is emotional, mental, and somatic. So the good news, the records help you reveal your blockages. And when you bring awareness and healing to those wounds, the code begins to unlock. You don't need to be perfect to manifest, you need to be clear. And I always say this. I'm going to give you 3 powerful practices to begin activating the true manifestation code within. Number 1, identity rehearsal. Ask yourself, who would I be if I already had what I'm calling in? Write down how you would feel, walk, speak, spend your day. Then begin to embody that version of you today in small but intentional ways. Number 2, emotional realignment. Instead of obsessing over when it will happen, tune into the feeling you believe the manifestation will bring. If it's love, feel love now. If it is abundance, feel supported now. Emotions is the bridge. Number 3, soul truth check-in. Is what I'm trying to manifest truly aligned with my soul? If not, then delays will be the divine redirection. When your desire matches your soul truth, everything flows easier. You don't have to manipulate energy. You just need to meet, align, and trust. If you're doing all the right things and still not seeing results, hold. I offer one-on-one manifestation code readings with Akashic Records, a beautiful energy to understand your manifestation code to manifest that one desire that you have been wanting for a long span of time. All my sessions are personal, secret, and focused entirely on your energy field and soul's Akashic Records. Click the link in the description box to book your session today. You can book your advanced Akashic Record reading and your manifestation code reading so that you can start your manifestation journey today. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel now for more truth-based guidance on soul work and energy creation. Drop a comment, what is one manifestation that you are calling in, and what is the biggest block you sense in your way. You're not chasing what you desire, you are becoming it. The code is already inside you. Let's decode with Sanskriti Sethi. See you soon.